antique and collectible toys, guys. Tin toys at that. Tin cars. Back in 1970, the tin toys were really big. I mean, like people would buy them for their kids. And then over a couple of years, the tin toys died out. And then lo and behold, as we grew up, we started collecting them again. The collecting world out there is really big, guys. And there's one thing I never did, was finish off one collection. That's why I've got multiple collection of tin toys and antique toys on the go. One day I hope to finish one collection off. Complete it all. But I'm in no hurry. I've got another 20 years of collecting yet. I'm in no rush. Plus you run out of room, guys. That's the biggest downfall of collecting. Unless you own your own house, then you're laughing. I've got a friend that's got a house and he's nominated all these different rooms for every different collection. One room he's got is all tin cars. One room he's got all collectible push bikes in, and it goes on from there.
And today, as I said, it's all about the word bad. I've got Bad Girls coming up from Donna Summer. I've got a bad song from CCR. But at number one today, it is the fourth most successful album of all time. 44 million copies. Do you know who I'm talking about? Here's a guy that was born in Canada in 1971. Gee, he's young. It's Daniel Powter. There was the moment we needed the most. You kick up the lead.